Welcome to Kalinga Tutorial Santikanan Lane near FM College, Baleshwar. Online classroom.
Today we discuss the story Dr. Watts. This story is written by R.K. Narayan, who is distinguished short story writer in India. That means his reputation is beyond to think. As a reputed South Indian short story writer, he has earned good name and fame in a national and international level. The Tiger of Malgudi, Malgudi Days, Dark King Thras, and different novels were written by R.K. Narayan. So here is a short story about Dr. Watts. Doctor commitment is very important for the patient. Generally, the patients firmly believe doctor's commitment, Dr. Watts. Here is a story about Dr. Raman and Gopal. Both are very bosom friend, very intimate friend. They are in close contact with themselves. They have been keeping off their friendship since 40 years, means their kindergarten days. Dr. Raman and Gopal are both very close. Dr. Raman was the lover of truthfulness. He did not dare to tell the truth. Actually, as a doctor, as his commitment means truth commitment, he was famous in his locality. He was a veteran doctor. He was very expert. But his naked truthfulness or sharp truthfulness was difficult for the patient to bear with. Generally, the patient went to meet him at the time of last position. That's why he got angry and advised the patients, it will be better to come earlier to meet me. At the time he collected 25 rupees, which was financial burden to the people. So some of the people, that means, did not like to meet him. It is one reason. Another reason is that The people were frightened to meet him because they could not put up with doctor's commitment. In front of the patient, he told whatever the truth. Doctor's commitment is very important for the patient. Dr. Raman has earned good name as his long years practice made him great. He believed that truthfulness is way of life. He did not tell any false to the patient. He knew that after some times truth will be revealed. If he prepared for the patient, at the moment he was very careful, very sincere and dedicated to the patients. Dr. Raman and Gopal, they are very close friends. Once upon a time, Gopal was ill. Dr. Raman was very busy on his operation day. Suddenly, Dr. Raman saw that Gopal's son was sitting on veranda. Dr. Raman asked Gopal's sons, what is the reason of his coming? Gopal's sons told that my father is ill. Mother sent me to call you. Dr. Raman became very worried when he listened about his friend's illness. Suddenly, he decided to go to meet Gopal in his village. So after operation and after detecting the patient, Dr. Raman rushed, means went quickly to Gopal's house. Dr. Raman saw that Gopal was lying in bed. He asked to his wife how many days he has been suffering. Gopal's wife answered that 1.5 months he has been suffering ill and he has been in bed ridden. Doctor's word and doctor's commitment, but which is very significant for the patient, means most important. Gopal's illness confused the whole family members. Gopal's wife, Gopal's sons, they became also worried. At the crucial moment, Dr. Raman prepared to give an injection to Gopal. He became ready. So he boiled the sterilized needle and he shoot the drug, means he gave injection to Gopal, but there was no any slight improvement. Dr. Raman sat beside Gopal. Dr. Raman became very old because there was no improvement. In the meantime, Dr. Raman became very serious to see the condition of Gopal. Gopal's wife asked, "Do you want coffee?" Dr. Raman refused to take coffee because he felt that Gopal's condition was not good. After then, Dr. Raman told to Gopal's wife, "I have to perform an operation for Gopal." Dr. Raman went outside, and after some time, Dr. Raman, a nurse, they came and they prepared for operation. Gopal's wife suddenly became worried when she listened about operation. She asked fearfully to Dr. Raman about the condition of Gopal's illness. After operation, the assistant told to Dr. Raman that the patient is going to improve. In the meantime, Dr. Raman told that it is a false sign. In these cases, it is very common. Dr. Raman told that if the pulse rate will keep up till 8 in the morning, then something may be changed. Because Dr. Raman knew that Gopal's condition was not good. His heart condition was not good. In the meantime, Gopal moved slightly and wanted some food to take. Dr. Raman told to Gopal's wife to give medicine and some food. Gopal's wife and Gopal's son, they became happy to see that Gopal's conditions, and all the family members, they offered gratitude to Dr. Raman because they felt perhaps patient is going to improve. But exactly Gopal's condition was not good. Only Dr. Raman knew that. In the meantime, Dr. Raman told to Gopal's wife to take care of the patient. Gopal's wife very anxiously asked Dr. Raman, "Is he now out of danger?" Dr. Raman did not respond it. Gopal's wife thought that perhaps in front of patient, Dr. Raman did not want to tell anything. Then Gopal's wife beckoned, means hinted, gesticulated to Dr. Raman to the kitchen room. Dr. Raman went to the kitchen. Next to Gopal's wife again repeated that. Dr. Raman did not answer anything and he beat his lip. That means Gopal's condition was not good. Gopal's wife and Gopal's son and other members, they cried bitterly. In the meantime, Dr. Raman listened about the wailing of Gopal. Very sincerely Gopal asked to Dr. Raman, is someone crying? Dr. Raman told to Gopal, don't worry, but don't talk, you will be tired. So silently just to sleep. Dr. Raman shut the door. Gopal asked to Dr. Raman, am I going now? Because generally at the deathbed, all the patients, they want to survive. Everybody has hope and aspirations. Likewise, Gopal, who was also aspirant to survive. So, Dr. Raman did not tell to anything. Gopal told to Dr. Raman that you are my bosom friend. Please tell the truth about my longevity. If I die, then my property will be shifted to my son. So please prepare the will paper now. Dr. Raman did not tell anything to Gopal and advised him just to sleep. At the crucial hour, at that crucial moment, Dr. Raman became very worried and forgot to leave the profession forever. And there was no word to tell to Gopal, so that he became very worried. In the meantime, Gopal very closely hold Dr. Raman's hand and asked that, Dr. Raman, I know you are very truthful. So I want to know about my longevity. Please tell me the truth. In the meantime, Dr. Raman went to his car and just sat inside the car and thought about Gopal. He thought that if the will paper will be prepared within 2 hours, because Dr. Raman knew that after 2 hours Gopal will die. So it was difficult for him to tell Gopal about his longevity. As Dr. Raman and Gopal, they were bosom friends. They are very intimate, they are very close, so that it was difficult for him to tell the truth. At that moment, Dr. Raman, accumulating confidence, he told to Gopal, Gopal, you are going to live. When Gopal listened about the statement or commitment of Dr. Raman, Suddenly he got up and told that, if you are telling I am going to leave, it is true. I know you are very truthful. Dr. Raman told that just to sleep silently. Tomorrow I will be back and I will check you. Dr. Raman went away. Gopal slept peacefully. After that, gradually Gopal was going to survive. Next morning when Dr. Raman went to Gopal's house, Dr. Raman surprised to see Gopal's conditions. Dr. Raman checked sincerely and told to Gopal's wife, don't worry about him. He will be survived till 90. There is no problem. So, on the way, the assistant asked Dr. Raman, sir, is it true? Gopal will survive till 90? Dr. Raman told that, I will bet, I will challenge. But how will he survive? This is puzzle to me. So this is the last line of story. So এটা ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ବ୍ରିଫଲି ତୁମକୁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଆର୍ କେ ନାରାୟଣଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ story, not a story, it is a fact. Human psychology is very important. Whatever we think, ଆମେ ଯାହା ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁ ତାର ପ୍ରଭାବ ଆମ ସେଲ୍ ଉପରେ ପଡ଼େ. If we think I am healthy, then that will be positive effect. If we think I am ill, that will be negative impact. So in this story, we know that psychological imbalance is the root cause of our illness. So that we should always think that we are right, we are disease free. ଆମ ମନ ଭିତରେ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜିକାଲି ଯଦି ଏତିକି ଜିନିଷ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମେ ଭାବୁ ଯେ ଆମେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ଅଛୁ, ଆମେ ନିରୋଗ ଅଛୁ, ତାହେଲେ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଏହାର ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟଟା ଆମ ସେଲ୍ ଉପରେ ପଡ଼େ. ଏଠି ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଦେଇଛି ଯେଉଁଟାକି about Gopal and Dr. Raman. ଦୁଇ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଥିଲେ. ଡକ୍ଟର ରମଣ ଜଣେ ରେପୁଟେଡ୍ ଡକ୍ଟର, ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସର୍ବଦା ସତ କହୁଥିଲେ. ସେ ରୋଗୀମାନଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ସତ କହୁଥିଲେ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ରୋଗୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭାରି କଷ୍ଟ ହେଉଥିଲା. କାରଣ ଗୋଟେ ରୋଗୀକୁ ଜେନେରାଲି ଯଦି ସାଧାରଣତଃ ସତ କଥା ହିଁ କହିଦିଆଯାଏ, ଏଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ହି ବିକମ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟଲେସ୍. ତେଣୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋପାଳ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ହେଲା, ଡକ୍ଟର ରମଣ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋପାଳ ଘରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ଏବଂ ଗୋପାଳ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ କେତେ ଦିନ ଧରି ସେ ଏମିତି ବେଡ୍ ରିଡନ୍, ଗୋପାଳ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲା ମାସେ ଦେଢ଼ ମାସ ହେଲା ସେମିତି ବେଡ୍ ରିଡନ୍. ସେଇଠୁ ଡକ୍ଟର ରମଣ ଗୋପାଳ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ତମେ ମୋତେ କାହିଁକି ଜଣେଇଲନି, ଆମେ ତ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଭଲ ବନ୍ଧୁ, ଭେରି ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟ୍, ଭେରି କ୍ଲୋଜ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ, ଭେରି ବୁଝ. ଗୋପାଳ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କହିଲା ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ବିଜି ପର୍ସନ୍ସ, ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଚାହିଁଲୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. ଏଇଠି ପାଖରେ ଜଣେ ଡକ୍ଟର ଯାଇକି ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ. ଡକ୍ଟର ରମଣ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଏନି ଡିଲେ, ବିଳମ୍ବ ନ କରି ଗୋଟେ ଇଞ୍ଜେକ୍ସନ୍ ଦେଲେ ଗୋପାଳକୁ. ବଟ୍ ଗୋପାଳ କିଛି ସେମିତି ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉନଥିଲା. ତେଣୁ ଡକ୍ଟର ରମଣ ବିକେମ୍ ଭେରି ୱିକ୍. ସେ ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୋଇ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଏବଂ ଡିସାଇଡ଼୍ କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଅପରେସନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ଆଉ ଏ କଥା ଗୋପାଳ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ କହିଲେ. ଗୋପାଳ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋପାଳ ଅପରେସନ୍ କଥା ଶୁଣିଲେ, ସେ ବିକେମ୍ ଭେରି ୱିକ୍. ସେ ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହୋଇପଡ଼ିଲେ, କାରଣ ଗୋପାଳର ହାର୍ଟ କଣ୍ଡିସନ୍ ହିଁ ଭଲ ନଥିଲା. ସୋ ଡକ୍ଟର ରମଣ ଅପରେସନ୍ କଲେ. ବଟ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଅପରେସନ୍ गोपाल कंडीशन मध्य भल ना तेणु गोपाल किछि घंटा पर जितेबाला किसी खाद्य ग्रहण करने चाहिए अदर्स फैमिली मेंबर्स मीन्स गोपाल सन गोपाल वाइफ दे बिकेम हैप्पी से भाविले बोधे गोपाल इज गोइंग टू सर्वाइव बट दैट वाज नॉट मैटर डॉक्टर रमन न्यू दैट गोपाल कंडीशन इज वेरी सीरियस सो एट दैट मोमेंट सही मुहूर्त रे गोपाल वाइफ आस्क्ड पचारे डॉक्टर रमन को इज ही नाउ आउट ऑफ डेंजर किंतु डॉक्टर रमन एवॉइड कले से प्रश्न उत्तर देवाई सिंस देन डॉक्टर रमन सेट एंड थॉट अबाउट गोपाल्स केयर गोपाल्स वाइफ भाविले बोधे डॉक्टर पेशेंट सामने मत किसी कहवाक चाहूना सो दैट गोपाल्स वाइफ गेस्टिकुलेटेड माने जो ठारी देले डॉक्टर रमन को किचन रूम को जावाई तेणु डॉक्टर रमन किचन रूम को जिते गले पुणी आउ थे पचारे गोपाल वाइफ प्लीज टेल मी द ट्रुथ तो मत सत कौन कहतु अबाउट गोपाल्स इलनेस डॉक्टर रमन avoided, did not tell anything and told that don't worry, don't be excited about now. But he was not in a position to tell what is the truth. सतटा कौन से स्त्री को कही पार नथिले गोपाल को कही पार नथिले कि से सब पेशेंट मान सामने ही सत कही जाउथिले जेहेतु द फ्रेंडशिप गोटे ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप एवं गोटे किंडरगार्टन डेज रू नर्सरी पीरियड समान फ्रेंडशिप सो दैट डॉक्टर वाज दैट मीन्स नॉट डेयर टू टेल द ट्रुथ सो गोपाल सडनली टोल्ड टू डॉक्टर रमन यही मुहूर्त गोपाल जिते शुणे घरे लोके कंदाकटा कर गोपाल बिकेम वरीड गोपाल आस्क्ड टू डॉक्टर रमन अबाउट हिज लंगजिविटी जेहेतु वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड तेणु तार लंगजिविटी विषय से पचारे डॉक्टर रमन अवॉइडेड एंड टोल्ड दैट यू स्लीप तो सोई जा तेणु he was not in a position to tell the truth as Gopal was his bosom friend. Again and again Gopal repeatedly wanted to know about his longevity because गोपाल यहाँ चाहूला मुझे जदि मरीजी ताले मो प्रॉपर्टी गुड़ाक सब मो पुओ ना उइल करती चल जी तेणु से से चाहूला तार लंगजिविटी विषय जानापी which was very difficult for Dr. Raman to tell the truth. At the last moment, Dr. Raman told that you are going to live. अरे गोपाल तू बंचीबा को जाऊ Suddenly Gopal told that if you are telling जदि तू एटा कहूछु I know you are very truthful तू केबे मिछ कहून तार डेफिनेटली I will live मो बंचीबी तेणु से जो साइकोलॉजिकली गोपाल स्ट्रांग होगा जो मुझे बंचीबी से सुस्थ है कि डॉक्टर रमन जानते एक्चुअली गोपाल मरीज तापर दिन सका व्हेन डॉक्टर रमन चेक कर देखले बट ही वाज इन गुड कंडीशन सो दिस इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट दैट साइकोलॉजिकल इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर सेल्फ ऑन आवर हेल्थ है अधा घंटा गला next we will discuss about some grammar. So especially that correct the error, which is most important. That means the last chapter I have taught you about passive. So you will see that what will be the error in questions. Suppose the letter will posted by him. This sentence is incorrect. Because will is modal auxiliary. According to passive, the correct one is will be posted. So the answer is that the letter will be posted by him. Next, different structures have to be remembered for correct the error. That means subject plus will or shall plus V1 अर्थात आमे जेते बेले गोटे सेंटेंस लिखिबा ए स्ट्रक्चर ही लिखिबा सब्जेक्ट will and shall plus V1 will and shall परे जेते बेले भी verb आसीबो we have to remember that V1. Example, she will go to Kotak. It is a subject, it is a modal auxiliary, and it is a V1. It cannot be changed, the verb cannot be changed. जदि उलट करा जाए ताले सेटा भूल हो रॉन्ग हो जाए सी विल वेंट टू कटक दिस इज रॉन्ग तो ठीक टा वो सी विल गो टू कटक तेणु आमको ये स्ट्रक्चर टा मन रखा पड़े. नंबर 2, आफ्टर modal auxiliary especially in philosophy that correct the error 10 mark. The grammar is important for the students, so they must concentrate that different rules and regulations of the correct bearer. Just last class I have taught you passive. Suppose I am telling a sentence. The letter will posted by him. The letter will posted by him. Exactly, it is incorrect. Because will posted, this is slang. After modal auxiliary, in passive we use be. So the answer is that the letter will be posted by him. It is most important to note that after modal auxiliary only V1 is allowed, means verb 1 is allowed. So we have to remember that modal plus V1, number 1. Number 2, modal auxiliary plus B plus V3. These points are most important to be noted because these are the skills how to develop the correct diagram. That means when modal auxiliary you can see in sentence, then we use only V1. Next to when modal auxiliary B plus verb 3. When B is used after modal auxiliary, then the verb will be V3. These two are most important point. Besides, different skills, different points should be remembered because we have to go through different skills of the grammar which will help you to correct the sentence. I am simply telling another example. The 2000 students are in the class. Or in the school. The sentence 2000 students are in the class, actually it is slang because it is not possible in the class 2000 students. If it is told that in the school, it is correct. 2000 students are in the school or college. If you see and if we observe and watch the sentence, 2000 students correct, are correct, in the school correct. But exactly the sentence is not correct. We have to remember that some of the students are in the schools. 2000 students are in the schools. These are actually slang or they are incorrect, because there is a word there. It is called participatory. In grammar, there is called participatory. Without there, some of the sentences are not possible. We have to remember that and we have to watch. So in this sentence, the answer is that there are 2000 students. In this school. Next. Another example I am giving. Never. I have been to Delhi. Just to see the sentence. Never is a word. Actually, the sentence is incorrect. Today we discuss about the correct sentence. Which sentence is correct and which are the incorrect sentence. Never is actually it is a negative adverb. Never, then seldom, rarely, scarcely, never, seldom, rarely, scarcely. These are called negative adverbs. So when the negative adverbs are used in sentence, especially at the beginning of sentence, there will be inversion between subject and verb. Inversion means change. That means never have I been to Delhi. It is correct. So we have to remember the structure. The structure, that number 3 structure I am going to discuss. Negative adverb, any negative adverb. Plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. This is the structure. Just you see, first negative adverb never, then auxiliary verb have, then subject I, then others. So it is most important point. All the negative adverbs, when they are used at the beginning of the sentence, then there will be inversion. Just note the point. Sentence wise correct the error, then you will be efficient to do the paragraph. So next, number 4 questions. The price of the books are increasing. The price of the books are increasing. Just you see the sentence. Actually, the price of the books, this is a noun phrase. It is a noun phrase. So in this noun phrase, the price is head noun. The books also noun, price also noun, but among two, price is head noun. So how do we know price is head noun? The noun which determine the verb, the noun which determine the verb, actually this is called the head noun. Just you see, the price of the books actually increasing, means books are not increasing, or price increasing, so that price is singular. Actually this sentence is slang, it is wrong sentence. The price of the books are increasing, this is slang. The correct one is that the price of the books is increasing. Is because price is head noun, so the verb is generally determined by head noun when there is a noun phrase. It is a noun phrase. When there is a noun phrase, the verb is determined by the head noun. Next, number 5. Very simply, I am going to say that number 5, he will has finished his work. Just to mark the sentence. He will has finished his work. So students, it is most important. The sentence is incorrect. Just to discuss what is the correct and where is the error. It is most important. Will has, actually this is incorrect. After modal auxiliary we have to remember that in perfect form that have will be allowed, not has. So the answer will be he will have finished his work. Any model, not only will, any model, maybe can, maybe could, maybe would, any model, might. So, has is not allowed after modal auxiliary. So, this is most important. Next, another questions. Number 6. Just to see. All the uncountable noun all the uncountable nouns take singular verb. This is a point. So I am giving example and the reason and points. You have to remember that all the uncountable nouns take singular verb. Uncountable, that means the noun which cannot be counted, like water, sand, sugar. These are not possible to count. They are called uncountable noun. But point should be, remember that the verb will be singular. Water is life. It is singular. Always it is singular. Sugar, sand, whatever may be the uncountable noun, then the verb will be singular. It is most important. Next, number 7. The that are restricted everywhere. This is number 7. The dead are restricted everywhere. Just to see the sentence. In the sentence, confusion is there. The dead are or is. I am writing a sentence, the dead are respected everywhere. Another is that the dead is respected everywhere. So which one is correct? The dead are respected everywhere is correct, or the dead is respected everywhere is correct? We have to think that. Actually the first one is correct, because here the dead means all the dead persons, the rich means all the rich persons, the poor means all the poor. So the plus adjective means whole. The plus adjective means whole. So the verb will be plural. If the subject is the dead, it indicates all the dead persons. Definitely the verb will be verb. So the dead is respected, it is wrong. After death, everyone is respected. It is also correct. But the dead are respected, not is respected. So the point should be noted that the plus adjective always refers to as a whole. It will take plural verb. Next, number 8. The cattle is grazing in the field. Actually it is incorrect. It is very simple to know that cattle is a word. A cattle, that means cows and hens, they are called cattle. It shows as a whole, as whole. So the verb will be plural. And it will be are. So exactly the answer is that the cattle are grazing in the field. Not only the word, but in different words, different nouns like police, cattle, audience, public. So these nouns look like singular. Actually, these nouns are looking like singular, but the verb will be always plural. This is the point. The nouns look like singular, but the verb will be plural. Next, number 9. The news do not true. Just to see the sentence, it is also incorrect. These are the basic things you have to remember. The news do not, it is incorrect. The correct one is that the news does not true, because the nouns, some of the nouns, they look like plural but the verb will be singular. News, actually it is looking like plural. Physics, mathematics, gymnastics, all the words and all the nouns, they are looking like actually plural but the verb will be singular. Generally we know that if the subject carries third person singular number, definitely we have to use as and es in verb. This is the last questions. Ten examples. Most of the times, that means in council questions, the students face some problems in correct the error. One of my friends are going to abroad. One of my friends are going to abroad. Just to see, this is incorrect. So exactly the correct one is that one of my friends is going to abroad. One of my friends, it is also a noun phrase. So one of my friends means singular. But the nouns is plural. One of my friends. Then the verb will be definitely is. One of my friends means a single boy, not two boys. So you have to remember that. The one of, the word one of always takes plural noun but singular verb. Actually, this is most important. कैसे मिला?